The NWS Storm Prediction Center has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for portions of central to northern Kansas, far south-central Nebraska. Effective this Thursday afternoon and evening from 3:15 p.m. until 9:00 p.m. CDT. Primary threats include scattered damaging winds and isolated significant gusts to 80 mph, possible scattered large hail and isolated very large hail events to 2.5 inches in diameter, possible a tornado or two possible. Summary: a couple supercells should develop out of high-based convection spreading east-northeast from western Kansas. This may eventually form into a small cluster spreading east-southeast this evening.